Hello Brainyz, we are back again with another video
on our experience of TCS CodeVITA 2019.
We know pattern and importance of this competition, so we are here to share our experience for our Brainyz family.
In this video, we will tell you about pattern and selection process in TCS through CodeVITA, and at the end of the video, we will share a previous year question for you guys.
So, I suggest you all to watch this video till end.
Well said, Sana. Now, let's discuss pattern.
Yes, CodeVITA is an online coding contest which contains 6 coding problems that are expected to be solved in 6 hours.
These coding problems can be based on arithmetical, analytical, as well as logical thinking.
Yes, what are the programming languages allowed for this competition?
Swift, C#, Java, PHP, Ruby, and your favorite, Python.
Yes, it's not necessary that you will be able to solve all the given 6 problems in 6 hours because you have to be very logical at this point.
Yes, even if you solve one problem correctly, you will be promoted to next round of CodeVITA, as well as you will get an interview call.
Unfortunately, if you are called for an interview, then you have to explain in a proper way the problem statement as well as the solution you have provided in the first round.
Now, this is time to talk about a previous year question. Observe the given pattern as shown on screen. You have to develop a code for printing this type of pattern on the basis of given user input.
You can find the solution code in description and also find us on Instagram. Our Instagram ID is Brainyz. Check link in the description.
Yes. Also, you can check our Python project playlist in this I button on top right of your screen and also in description.
Learn and like, share and subscribe.
And also press the bell icon for latest updates.